card. Good. Clock. The second. Man. Right. Great. Man. Third. Park. Great. Park. Easy this one. Super easy. No. Again please. Spell first. Me. Right. Great. Me. V is B-L-W-E-V. This one. Next one, sir. Shall. Right. Great. Shall. Next one, sir. Still. Right. Great. Still. Next, sir. Went. Right. Great. Went. Oh, and went. Next, sir. Going. Great. Going. Well done, Jack. Next, please. Again, please. Yeah, next. Yeah. No L, no R. This one.
Put it on the right.
No L, no R is again.
Put it on another side.
Okay, another side. Yes.
Yeah, because I got that
Okay.
one.
No, this one cannot.
I just said look.
Like that.
Okay.
Cute. Next, please. Longer. Great. Long. Next one, sir. Thank you. Great. Yes, great.
I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to put this on my legs.
Kick. Next one. Plan. Plan. Next one, sir. Dent. Great. Dent. Oh. Dent. Very good. Next, sir. It's easy. Was. Next one, sir. Lost.
No.
Lost. Great. Right. You're right. Next. There. Great. Oh, you can read there now. Next one, sir. Easy. Go. His. Great. Next one, sir. Great. Good. Cold or down there?
No.
Hi.
Why are you doing this?
He like video.
What, you want to record a video?
Yeah.
Don't
Video on now.
Jacob, get Howie here. Recording
Yeah.
a video.
Yeah, now. On. Come on, Jack.
Now, get up.
Can put on YouTube. Jacob, come on, you learn to be YouTuber. Learn to be YouTuber. Jack learn. Put big words on video, right?
Yeah.
He can be YouTuber. Come on. The. Great. Oi. What you throwing? Oh.
Sock.
Oh my God, he's throwing bad smell. Children, easy, good. Next one, sir.
Free.
Free. Next one, sir. Into. Great. Into. Next one, sir. Next one, Jack. Look. Good. Well done. Next. Two. Well done. Oh, next. Super hard this one. Hard. Ui, easy. Straight. Easy for Jack right now. Next. Ui. Track. Easy. Well done. Next. Do. Great. Next. Said. Great. Great. Oh, next. Again, please. Put other side. This one so easy, you know. Good. Good. Next. M. Right. Great. Next, sir.ที่ไหนวะ That is him. C. Great. Less. Great. Same sound like a cat. Next. You make auntie sound like a cat too. There is this. Not move much. Not. Naughty boy. You are no.
Look at me.
Come on.
Good. Cross.
Cross. I want to record on when you read book too. Very perfect. If you read book, you can read a longer. Felt. Next. Next one, sir. Jackie. Screech. Screech. Auntie อีสาน My tongue not go drink the ink drink next sir bump great bump you move too much feel oh there great there upset great upset เสียงเอียงเยอะมิง off great ming oh this one hard E first right electric yes great he just called electric but he forget E yes electric just again please electric okay next sir Mr. Jack town great next please mend great next please fun next oh back on last no not last have two left more two left you hard in this one come on this one hard for you this one again please leak yes but another one they call like yeah like this one hard he cannot read he cannot say like he say lick always cause yes right because the first time you put R or L so you say cross but this time you say cause okay right great one okay next we going to read book about what you are very good to record video about book, you know, because you like to call.
Don't call.
Greg, what name is book?
Don't call the video.
I turn off now. We're going to read book
No.
with grandma, with sheep, with what name? Greg.
Crunch
Crunch, name Crunch. All the children,
on the car.
all the children go out
Yeah.
to shopping
Yes.
with
Grand.
Great. For what? Go for shopping. What for? They go shopping. What for? For look some present for dad, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and then when they are what? So crunch. They are crunch. Why? Show teacher. Can show teacher. You can read the great book. Come.
Don't.
Jack, he don't like to show. He read book. Say goodbye then. He don't want to show anybody about read book. He read very good now.
Goodbye.
Bye พ่อไปเลยลูกสวัสดีครับพ่อไปเลยสวัสดีครับ He have an
Goodbye.
English He are half Thai half English yeah Okay bye